Let's start PYQ series in EAPCET. So first question is the most important PYQs. First chapter is quadratic equation. So let's start first chapter. First question. Question is given that given a question, the set of all the real value of x and satisfy the inequality. So inequality given that 7x square minus 5x minus 18 divided by 2x square plus x minus 6. Let's, so suppose if the 2 is shifting to left side, then less than equal to 0, right? Right. Then take a LCM, 2x square plus x minus 6 and subtract that. So 6 square, 7x square, 5x minus 18 and 2 multiply then 4x square and minus subtract, and then the all the values sign is changes are also. So 2x plus 12, correct, and then divided by 2x square plus x minus 6, right, and less than 0. So you can calculate the 7 minus 4 is a 3x square, 5x and is the 7x, and 18 is a minus 6 less than, and is adds let's divided by 2x square plus x minus 6. Okay, no problem, that up to date. Then factorize this one, the factorization. Factor is, so 6 into 3 is 18, 18 to factor then is the 9 into 2. So how to factorize then? The factorize of 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. So is the 3x is the common, so 3x minus 3 sorry 3x x minus 3, right, and 2 is the common, then x minus 3. Okay, so x minus 3 one factor, and second is a 3x plus 2 is a factor, right? Same as well as factor of 2x square plus x minus 6. 6 into 2 is a 12, 12 2 factor is 2x square plus 4x and 3x minus x minus 6. So 2 is the common, x is the common, so x plus 2. Same is the minus 3 is the common, then x plus 2. So that's the x plus 2 is the factor and 2x minus 3 is the factor. So that's the there are four factor. First is x minus 3, 3x plus 2, and denominator is x plus 2 and 2x minus 3, right, and the less than 0. So you can use the Weviger method, and Weviger method, that that is the highest term is a 3, and then after that is a 3 by 2, and then after that is a minus 2 by 3, and that is a minus 2, and use the plus minus and plus. So that's why your region is x belongs to minus 2 to minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 to 3, and is the answer. So that's your answer is second option, correct. Let's start next question. I hope you all understand that is the very easy question, not a hard, just is a dependent on inequality. Let's start the second question. Second question is the given that the sets of the all the value of k with the inequality is a true the all the real values of x. Any quadratic is given that, any quadratic is the given that is greater than 0, is the meaning is a is greater than 0 and d less than 0 is the condition of any quadratic is greater than 0, right now. So first is check the d, a is the a greater than 0, and then the d less than 0. Apply that condition. 3k plus 1 is the b square minus 4ac, d is the b square minus 4ac is the less than 0. So that's why, and 4 times 4x square, sorry 4k, that's the k, not a x, is the k, and then is also k plus 3k minus 3 less than 0, and calculate then. So 9k square, 6k plus 1, and is a 16k square minus 12k plus 12 less than 0. And after that can again calculate. 16 minus 9 is a minus 7k square, 16 6 minus 6k, and 1 is a 12 is plus 13 less than 0. Right now you can convert to 6k square plus 6k minus is the common, that's why the all the sign changes and greater than 0. And 13 into 7 is equal to how much? and 13 minus 7 is already 6. That's why is a calculate not a, the factor is the already factor is the 13k, and minus 7k minus 13 less than 0. 7k, sorry, k is only common, so k is common, then 7k plus 13, and is the minus is common, then minus 1 is the given, then 7k plus 13, right? Then 7k plus 13, and other than is the k minus 1, right? It's just only two factors and greater than 0, so that's why your region is the 1 and is the 13 by 7 minus, and that is the region is the very easy, is the plus minus plus was only positive region, so x belongs to minus 13, 13 by 7 to, sorry, minus infinite to 13 by 7, only positive region, union 1 to infinite. So that's why your answer is, correct option is C, right? Is a this one is also very easy question. uh, Next question is a cubic equation whose the roots are square of the roots of equation. Is a good question. That type of question is a just, you can understand the question and read again that, see that the option after that. Question the given cubic equation whose root the square of this, suppose the equation is the roots is alpha beta gamma, then the question is the alpha square plus beta square and gamma square is the roots other. So you can see that the everyone is the one in the 144 144 and is the one. So check, if you check the, if you find then the alpha square beta square plus gamma square, and addition is a very difficult, the and second is the alpha square beta square, that's the that is also very difficult. So you can use the one trick. You can either use the product of roots, so product of roots the alpha beta gamma is equal to that time, the time is the alpha beta gamma is the 3 upon is the plus minus rule. So according to this one, minus 3 by 12, correct. And as well as alpha square, second one the equation, this root is alpha square beta square gamma square, then is the alpha square beta square and gamma square is the product of roots, right? That's why, so the alpha beta gamma whole square is the meaning is 3 by 12 whole square is the meaning is 9 by 144. Anyone is the check the equation, then the 9 by 144 is the roots of equation, just only one is the C, 9 and 144 is the answer. So it's a very easy process, not to find the alpha square beta square gamma square alpha beta, not to find the product of roots, two product of root, just one tick you can use alpha beta gamma product, right now. That is a good question in the, just use your mind and solve that. It's a easy question, not a hard. Let's start fourth question. Fourth question is given that alpha beta gamma are the roots of equation, given that equation is x cube plus 3x square minus 10x minus 24 equal to 0, right? And the given is the alpha beta and gamma roots, okay. And the other than is the equation is that this root is a given alpha beta plus gamma, beta gamma plus alpha, and gamma alpha plus beta, okay. That time you can find the q. So q is the check that the al plus minus plus, that's why is the alpha beta and the two products of roots, two products of roots means, uh, like this. According to this one, a two product of root, the product, suppose the given alpha beta beta gamma gamma, so two products of root, so two products is the represent like this, alpha 1 and beta, that's a region. But the given that the roots this one and this one, so product is the equal to q, so you can find the only q, okay. So let's start the means the product of this one to this one. So alpha beta gamma multiply by beta gamma plus alpha is a plus, is a one product, right? Second one is the beta gamma gamma plus alpha and alpha plus beta, and third product is gamma alpha beta plus gamma and alpha plus beta, right? If you product that, and the answer is, I can multiply that. So alpha beta multiply by whole, so firstly you can find that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus 3, right? Alpha beta, summation of alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma. So if they use a summation, that's why that time is a minus 10, because the plus minus plus minus plus minus, right now. Okay, so and the product of alpha beta gamma, product of roots is plus 24. Okay, is the easy, that's why you use the that condition. Okay, so let's start the product. So that time is alpha beta multiply by uh, beta gamma plus gamma square plus alpha gamma. Okay, same is the beta gamma multiply by alpha gamma, alpha, sorry, beta gamma plus alpha square alpha beta, and gamma alpha is multiplied by beta alpha plus beta square plus uh, gamma alpha plus gamma beta. Okay, and that multiply then is the alpha beta square gamma plus alpha beta gamma square plus alpha square beta gamma. Okay, and same as well as second one, you can multiply that and check. One is the missing, that beta is multiplied by gamma, and gamma is multiplied, beta is multiplied by alpha, is alpha beta is the remaining missing. So alpha beta is also multiplied, then alpha beta whole square, right? The missing one term. Same is multiply that, then beta alpha gamma square plus beta square al gamma square plus beta gamma alpha square plus alpha beta square gamma, right? Then same is a multiply by second third one, gamma alpha multiply the gamma square alpha beta, then gamma alpha beta square, then gamma square alpha square, then gamma square alpha beta, right? So you can see that is the one is the pattern alpha beta square beta gamma square and gamma square is the one separate, alpha beta whole square, beta gamma whole square, and gamma alpha whole square, right? And other than you can see that other than the condition is three times one, one same is the beta square is the same this one, and beta is the square is the same, and the one is the time, so everyone is the three times. So three times alpha beta gamma is the common. Suppose the alpha beta gamma is the common, that one, so given alpha plus beta plus gamma only. So this one is also three times. Same is the, I will check the your that time. The second one, this one is also three times, alpha gamma square and gamma square also three times. Same as well as you can check that this one is also alpha square time in the alpha square is also three times. So everyone is a three times, so use, and then alpha beta gamma is common, then you use only this one. Okay, and use that you can find the alpha square beta square gamma square according to help of this one to this one and this one. And right now is a given alpha beta gamma, and the 3 is a given. So how to find the alpha square beta square gamma square? So you can find like this: alpha beta beta gamma and gamma alpha whole square is equal to what? Is a open that, the alpha square beta square gamma square and gamma square alpha square, right? And plus 2 times alpha beta gamma and alpha plus beta plus gamma. You can check that if you open that in the same condition. It's not a hard, but sometimes it's also hard. So this one is the how to find that is the meaning is represent like this. Okay, and alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, gamma is the delta. So the alpha beta gamma, gamma delta is the multiplication the 100. 10 square is meaning is 100 minus 2 times alpha beta gamma and gamma delta is equal to what? Is equal to what? You can never be used the this one in use, that time is 2 times alpha beta gamma and alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, that use that time. So put the that time is the put. So 100 minus 2 times alpha beta gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, and yeah, and that time also this one is the plus 3 times alpha beta gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, so only 100 minus 1 times alpha beta gamma and alpha plus beta plus gamma, right? How to find that? So 100 minus alpha beta gamma is alpha into beta in gamma is a 24, right? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus 3. So that is easily answer is 1 time is the plus, sorry, the plus time, not a minus time, the plus time, because the 3 times and the 2 times. Okay, so 100 and is the that is the minus uh, 2 and is the 72. So answer is your 28, right? Is the easy not a easy, is the lengthy question, so answer is 28. So that time is the very some question is a lengthy, but use this formula is important. Okay, okay, let's start next question. Question given that if alpha is a rational number, then the roots of equation is option given rational and equal, different and real, different rational number, and not to real numbers. To how to check the any quadratic equation with the roots, nature of roots. So according to this one, the check the d, the dependent on d, because the given that equation is x square 3ax plus a square minus 2a minus 4 equal to 0, and is a is greater than 0 because a is 1, and check the d. Okay, and d is a greater than 0, then condition is real roots, real and different roots, right? And d less than 0, then is the imaginary roots, right? And d is equal to 0, then is equal roots, equal and real roots, equal and real roots, right? So check the d. According to this one, d is so 3ab square means 3a square minus 4 times a square minus 2a minus 4. Okay, check that. So the 9a square minus either multiply that 4a square plus 2a and is the plus 4, sorry, is the 8 and is the 16, because multiply by okay. So that time is 9a square minus 5a square is equal to what? So 9 square minus the 5a square plus 8a plus 16 is the positive or negative. How to check? So is the, again the quadratic na. So quadratic is a check. Any quadratic is the always greater than 0. How to then the d? So check the d. 64 minus 4 times 16 into 5. So that time is a d is less than 0. So a is greater than 0 and d less than 0. That's why is the any quadratic is always greater than 0. That's why is the always greater than 0. The meaning is d is greater than 0. D is greater than 0. This condition is a real and different roots, real and different roots, b. So this one is also very important, is a dependent on second to quadratic. Okay, let's next question. Question be given that the set of all the real values of a, then condition is minus 1 to 3, and the is a quadratic upon quadratic is given, hold for the real values of x. Okay, so let's start the you can convert to two parts. First part is 2x square plus ax plus 2 divided by x square plus x plus 1 uh, minus 1. Okay, and second part you can convert to, second part is 2x square plus ax plus 2 divided by x square plus x plus 1 less than 3. Okay, we can solve the two parts. Okay, so start the first part. So first is minus 1 greater than, so minus 1 substitute that. So the 2x square plus ax plus 2 divided by x square plus x plus 1, and shifting the plus 1, and that is the greater than 0. That's why the sign is always the time now, so is convert to there. So 2x square plus ax plus 2 and take a LCM. That's why this one is also plus 1 and divided by x square plus x plus 1 greater than 0. This one is always greater than 0. Check that is a d less than denominator. So that's why is only numerator is the remaining. So 3x square plus a plus 1 time x, because x is a x and is a x, and plus 3 greater than 0. Okay, check that. The same condition, any quadratic is greater than 0 means d, check the a is greater than 0 that time, and d less than 0, check the d. So apply the d condition, a plus 1 square minus 4 times 3 into 3 less than 0, d less than 0. Okay, check that. So a plus 1 whole square, and that is a 4 into 3 into 3, 9, 9 4 ja 36 less than 0. So you can convert to a plus b, a minus b form 6 square. So a plus 1 plus 6 and a plus 1 minus 6 less than 0. So a plus 8, a plus 7 and a plus 5, okay, less than 0. So that's why is the if we got minus 7 and the 5 plus minus plus, so a belongs to that time is minus 7 to 5. Okay, is the first condition a. And second, according to second condition a is, so check that same is the 3 is shifted to side and ax and take a LCM. So that's why the 3x square plus 3x plus 3 less than 0, right? Same is the 5x square and is a plus 3x plus 5 less than 0. Okay, not any changes that. So check the same d, any on the any quadratic is the less than 0, then condition is, any quadratic is the less than 0, then condition is, any quadratic is the less than 0, then condition is a is greater than 0, right, and d is also greater than 0, right? So d is a plus 3 whole square, 4 times 5 into 5 greater than 0. Okay, so check that condition is, according to this one, how to find that? According to this one you can find that always d less than, so um, there's one mistake in this question, that time is the minus 3. So that's why the all the changes the negative sign one minute, just one, this one is the changes, one changes, sorry to say. So 3x square minus 3x minus 3, right? And after that is the minus x square minus a minus 3, sorry, and the x and minus 1 less than 0. Okay, suppose you can convert to x square and is the 3 minus a, uh, x plus 1 greater than 0, can convert like this. Okay, so according to this one is the anyone greater than 0, then d less than 0. So a minus 3 whole square minus 4 less than 0, d less than. So d less than means you can convert to a plus b, a minus b equal 2 square. So a minus 3 plus 2 and a minus 3 minus 2, okay, less than 0. So that's why the term is a minus 1 on a minus 5 less than 0, right? And according to this one, a belongs to 1 to 5 because only just region. So uh, intersect the boards minus 7 to 5 and 1 to 5, so only intersect that, the meaning is like this. Use either minus 7 is the 1 and into 5. According to this one is the region only, and according to this one is the region. So common region 1 to 5. So a belongs to 1 to 5 is the answer. Check that your option. So your option is 1 to 5 is the C option. I hope you understand that is a very easy inequality. First is the inequality and second two types of inequality. Solve that and find the answer. Okay, third one is a question, the quotient is divided by x square plus x minus 3. So okay, so this one is a divided by this one, and then find the quotient. So according to this one you can use the perfect method, division method, and that is a easy process. Never be used the another type of any method. 5 minus 4x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 8. Okay, and this one is the x square plus x minus 3. No any problem. And start to divide it. How to divide? How to divide? So divide the perfect is the method, that is the divide division. Firstly, is the 3x time is a division. So only quotient the remaining. Na? So quotient you can just use the hint of that time. So x square, there are the 3x square times 3x cube time, and the multiply that. So the 3x power 5, and same is a multiply by this one. So 3x power 4, same is the multiply by third is the minus 3, so minus 9 x cube. Okay, and subtract that. So subtraction is minus minus and plus, cancel out. So only the two option is that time is this one and this one. Okay, start then the second, chose second according to this one. So minus and minus minus 7 times x power 4, and plus plus both sides, then the 14 x cube. Okay, and other than is the 3x square plus 6x minus 8. Okay, so that time is how many times? The 7x time, x square time, right? Okay, so this one is also match. Only one option is the match. Okay, because x square is only one option, the b, so that's why is the after that is the not use the answer. So according to answer is also very easy process. So you can firstly check the options. Best method is the check the according to option, not to solve the all the questions. I will just check the two step option and check that the answer. Okay, 7, question number 8. Question number 8 is also very interesting question, is a very important question. Sometimes a question is given APCET, every teacher and a student just solve the all the question, but just to use the one tricky method, how to use. So given that your how to 5x4 plus 9x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0 right now. And is the roots is given that a1 to a5. Okay, is the given roots is the a1 to a5. Okay, a1 to a5, all the roots. And the other equation, the find that after that is asking 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon alpha 2 square plus 1 upon alpha 3 square, like this, up to 1 upon alpha 5 square. If you check that, so any equation, the alpha beta, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha gamma, alpha 5 is the root. So how to find the 1 upon alpha 1 and 1 upon alpha 2 and 1 upon alpha 3, the roots equation, how to find? X replaced by 1 upon x, right now. So every x is replaced by 1 upon x, so divide by x by 1 upon x. So 1 upon x power 5, that time 1 5 upon x power 4 plus 9 upon x square plus 5 upon x minus 1 equal to 0. Take LCM and solve that. So LCM according to this one is shifted to there. So this one is a same root. I can check that. Uh, so x power minus x power 5 is the LCM now. So that's why take LCM. So the 1, the 5x, and that is a 9 x power 3, and that is the 5 x power 4, and is the x power 5 equal to 0. Okay, so the roots is 1 upon alpha 1, 1 upon that was that time is the 1 upon alpha 1, 1 upon alpha 2, 1 upon alpha 3 is the root of this equation, right. And how to find that square? So according any one is the square. Suppose given a plus b plus c plus d is a, how many time? 1 2 3 the 5 up to 5 na. So a b c d e, right. The square is equal to, given that a square plus b square plus c square up to e square, and 2 times 2 to multiplication. Okay, ab bc ca, 2 to types multiplication is the square formula. So according to this one, uh, 1 upon alpha, I mean written like this, 1 upon alpha, you can understand that summation of 1 upon alpha 1, and alpha is starting to 1 to 5 whole square is equal to summation of 1 upon alpha 1 whole square, is meaning is 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square, like this, up to 5, plus 2 times summation of 1 upon alpha 1, 1 upon alpha 2, same is the like this, right now. Okay, so how to find that? So you can find this one na. So this one is 1 upon alpha 1 square plus 1 upon beta alpha 2 square up to 1 upon alpha 5 square, right now is summation of this one. So summation is given that is the x square x power 4 times, right now. So x power 4 times the this one, and according to this one the plus minus, so minus 5, right, just before that is the term, and after that the given 2 times minus, right now minus, and 2 times suppose you can minus common, so that's why is also plus, because plus minus according to this one is also minus b by a. So suppose you can convert to 5x minus 5x power 4, minus is common, all 9x cube plus 5x uh, plus 1 equal to 0, minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so same time you can use that, check is the 5, so minus 5 no plus 5. Okay, and the 2 times the multiplication is given that 2 to multiplication, right now, and 2 to multiplication is answer is 2 to multiplication is x cube constant. So x cube is a uh, x cube is a that time is given that is the that time is 1 upon f 1 5, that is then given that 2 to multiplication, and 2 to multiplication is given that is then uh, 5 1, right now, and that time is minus 1. So 5 plus 2 is the 7 is the answer. So that's why this question is answer is 7. So this one is not a hard question, but uh, the difficulty level is a between is a high that time, and understand the formulas. Okay, and next question, if the alpha beta are the roots of equation, roots are given that equation is x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0, and given alpha is greater than beta, and condition a n is given, a n minus beta power n is the alpha power n beta power n. Okay, and greater than 1 condition given, and then find that this one is according to a 10 2 times a8 divided by 2 times a9. I will solve that this type of condition. I will explain firstly condition, that is a very easy type of question. Condition is given that like this. Suppose any quadratic is given ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, I will multiply the any number, so I will multiply by x power n, is a possible now. So that's why you can check that n power n minus 1 power just 1 before that. So suppose I will multiply by n minus 2, so this one is the a x power n, right, and the b x and the c x power n minus 2, correct. So the time is n minus 1 and n minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, that time is the meaning. Suppose this one is also alpha root and beta root, so also satisfy alpha, and so as well as satisfy the beta, so x replaced by alpha, so that a alpha power n plus b alpha power n minus 1 plus c alpha power n minus 2 equal to 0, right. Same is the x equal to beta is also root, so that's why this one is also satisfied. So beta power n plus beta power uh, beta power n minus 1 and c beta power n minus 2, right, and subtract the both. So resultant is a alpha beta power n, b alpha power n minus 1 minus beta power n minus 1, and c alpha power n minus 2 and beta power n minus 2, subtract that. According to this one is a into an, according this one is a different an. Okay, and b a n minus 1 and the c a n minus 2, understand that, and is equal to 0. So every time is the condition is given that, so an and m n minus 1 and n minus 2 is the formula of that condition. Okay, okay, so your question is given that x square minus 6x minus 2. So according to this one is the can change the a power not given na. So the directly is the a power n, and 6 times a power n minus 1 and 2 times a power n minus 2, right, according to this one a and n, replace that on constant is the same. Okay, suppose you can find the 10, so I is the 10 na, so put the n equal to 10, 6 a power 9 and 2 a power 8. Okay, so according to this one given like this, right now, and suppose you can shift it to the 9 is this side, so a 10 minus 2 times a 8 and is shifted to 6 a power 9. Okay, okay, a power 10 2 times a power 8 and in divided by 2 times a power 9. So requirement is only 2 times na. Okay, so only remaining is a 3, because 2 times the substitute 2 into 3 right now, so 2 use and use, so this one is the answer is 3. So your answer is also 3. That means the also very easy if you use this concept na. So that time is also very very easy question. This type of question asking every time is the J is also asking, and APCET is also asking the type of question. Next question, if the both the roots of equation are exceed 3, and the condition of is the nature of roots, the condition how to that the exceed, the condition is like this. Suppose the any parabola given that the both the root is the greater than 3. If the condition is, firstly check the d. First, can d greater than equal to 0 possible? Because the d is not possible, that how to possible the roots existence. Second one is this time minus b by 2a is the point. Minus b by 2a is always greater than 3 that time, because 3 is there and minus b by 2a is there. Third, f of 3 is also greater than 0. So 3 condition is the intersection, and intersection that is the region is the exceed condition, exceed condition. Okay, check that. Firstly d. Okay, x square 6ax plus 2 minus 2a plus 9a square. Okay, that firstly then check the d. So d is 36a square. D square means minus 4 times 2 minus 2a plus 9a square equal to, not equal to, these are greater than equal to 0. Okay, check that. So 36a square minus 8 minus plus 8a, and is the minus 36a square greater than equal to 0. So 36 cancel out. Okay, so 8a minus 8 greater than equal to 0. So a 8 cancel out, that greater than equal to 1. So according to this one, a greater than equal to 1. Okay, so is only two options remaining. This one is the cancel out, this one cancel out, only two options b and d. Okay, because the again analysis the every time is the check the. So second condition is minus b by 2a. So minus b by means minus b is the minus of 6a, correct, and is the a is the one greater than 3. Okay, so according to this one, plus 6a greater than 6, so that time is also 1 a greater than 1. Okay, second condition. Third condition, check that f of 3 put that. So x square minus 6ax plus 2 minus 2a plus 9a square, check that. Check, put the 3. So 9 minus 6 3 ja 18a plus 2 minus 2a plus 9a square greater than 0. Okay, because that time is the greater than 0 na. Okay, so 9a square minus minus 18 is the minus 20a plus 11 greater than equal to 0. So 11 two parts and plus the 20, so 20 is, so 9a minus 11a plus 11 greater than 0. 9 is the common, then 9a is the common, 1 minus 9, 1 minus a, then 11 is the common, then a minus 1 greater than 0. Okay, according to this one, 9a 11 and a minus 1 greater than 0. Okay, check that. According to is the 11 by 9 and this the 1, so plus minus plus. Okay, so according to this one, x belongs to minus infinite to 1 union 11 by 9 to infinite. So this one is a already skip that, because greater than 0 greater than 1, and that is the also 11 by 9 to so is the according to this one, 11 by 9. According to this one, greater than 11 by 9. Correct. Greater than 11 by 9. So the resultant is also greater than 11 by 9. So your answer is D. 3 by 2 is the skip that. I hope you understand the content. So the 10 question the complete today. Quadratic equation. If your response good, then I will more videos in EAP set, or more question, most important question, the quadratic other 10 chapters, all the question. AP set exam the 22 May. So that according to remaining is how many days? The 20 days remaining, and 20 days the in cover the all the 20 chapters. Okay, thank you to all.